Hello, this is Victor at SL500 and this video is for Ivan in Florida, and this is SL500 throttle body that I repaired and just wanted to show operational test and live readings and whatnot. So the wires were replaced. The wires were really bad. Temperature of the unit has been on the bench for quite a long time now, so as you can see it's hitting over 100 degrees, like it's 63, 64 on the bench here. So it's been working for quite a little bit, and yeah, the unit is pretty much ready to go at this point. Test it out. It cleaned off very well. There is a little bit of aluminum oxidation, of course, because that is unfortunately unavoidable because of a aluminum case. But as you can see, it cleaned off nice, you know, very nicely. The plate was realigned. I will have to double check the alignment of the plate later on, but based on this, yeah, that's fine. That's the residual. That's fine. That's just dust. Okay, good. The actual linkage is nice and smooth. I like the way it activates. It's just basically effortless. Very nice. And let's take a look at readings at this point and see what computer sees. So because it's an e-gas module from C-class, the readouts are going to be the way they are. Different modules, they give you different readouts, but 4.25, if you look at all my videos, that's exactly the number I get from all throttles that I test, the ASR model throttles. 0.49, that is also within the spec. This can be from 0.4 to 0.6, and we're right in between. It's perfect. Micro switches also read. So when I open the throttle plate, our micro switches change positions, and also potentiometer voltages, they also change. That means that everything is working properly. And again, if something would have been wrong at this point, throttle would have went into limp. The reason I leave them on the bench for a while, because I wanted to make sure that clutch coil remains active after a long period of time, because it heats up like crazy inside there, and you obviously want to know if coil holds on when it's hot, and that's important. So, and this is basically all. I'm going to just drop the case once more just to look inside, make sure everything's good, and it will be basically ready to go, because there is another throttle waiting to go on the bench test, and that's why I want to make this video. This one was definitely on the bench for like 14-15 hours, no question about this unit. Working great. So this is basically going to be all. This is a quick video, but I always make these videos just to get myself a reference what was done, and for a customer to see that he is receiving properly working unit when it arrives. Okay, all right, so this is all for now. This is Victor at SL500. Thank you for watching.